In this video, we are going to talk about the after effects of demonetization. The demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupee notes was a step taken by Government of India on 8 November 2016, seizing the usage of all 500 and 1000 rupee notes. These notes were classified as non-legal tender in India from 9 November 2016. The invalidation has resulted in the deposit of 3 lakh crore rupees till 13 November as per a report by DNAindia.com. The move is equivalent to 3 lakh raids by IT department simultaneously across length and breadth of the country. This news excited the whole nation, but shook the corrupts, as they are the main targets. The black money that they had accumulated over the decades will going to be of no use for them. This is giving them sleepless nights. Incidents of burning and shredding notes and throwing them in Ganga is coming into light. Positive impacts of demonetization. Fake currencies will be identified and filtered. Increased adoption of digital payment methods. Increased financial inclusion. People with money above the exemption limit may not be in a position to approach banks as it will invite penal actions. People such as drivers, cooks, maids, electricians, and plumbers who receive periodic payments have to suffer delay in salaries for a short period of time. Long queues, frustrated faces can be seen at it. The demonetization effect on different sectors of the economy. Real estate sector. Housing prices are likely to go down. This might lead to more transparency in the real estate sector in future. New building projects may halt for few months. Gems and jewelry. For next few months, prices of gems and jewelry may decrease, but for jewelers, it is going to be a difficult time. Agriculture. With the invalidation of currency notes, the prices of agricultural products may go down. It may be difficult for farmers to sell their produce in the market as people willing to buy will be less due to cash crunch. Digital mode of payment in India. Due to shortage of cash, people will be likely to adopt more digital payment methods in India. MSMEs. Majority of micro and small enterprises run on cash. With the invalidation of currency notes, these enterprises will face difficulty in receiving payments of their services and making payments for their goods and inventory. The daily wages of laborers. This will bring difficult time for laborers as they might not get their wages or time or even may have to remain unemployed for a short period of time. We can say that, yes, it is a very big step in curbing black money. The introduction of new currency is a very bold step by our Indian government for the filtration of fake currency. But what we need to make a better India is a little cooperation and helping out each other for the development of the nation. However, this step shall remain incomplete if the action is not taken against the black money lying in the form of properties, gold, foreign currency, and shares. For more information about central and state government schemes and policies, visit our website theindianirs.com. For updates, download our app Joiner from Google Play. Thank you guys for your overwhelming response. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for such more videos.